Founded in 1998, Dongguan Johnson Hardware Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of high-performance CNC machine tools with over 20 years of expertise in precision machining. We specialize in CNC drilling and tapping centers, machining centers, lathes, and multi-axis solutions, serving industries including 3C electronics, automotive parts, precision molds, and medical devices. To strengthen our global presence, we actively participate in leading international exhibitions, such as Manufacturing Indonesia Metallurgica in Russia and major shows across Southeast Asia and China. These events allow us to connect face-to-face with customers, demonstrate our technology, and build lasting relationships worldwide. Our core machine models are engineered for efficiency, accuracy, and long-term reliability. We integrate precision components imported from Taiwan, Japan, and Germany, including NSK, Hiwin, FAG, and Syntec, and support multiple CNC control systems such as Syntec, Mitsubishi, Fanuc, and Siemens, ensuring flexibility for diverse requirements. Certified as a national high-tech enterprise, we also hold CE ISO and EPR certifications, demonstrating our commitment to international quality standards and sustainable production. Every machine delivers positioning accuracy within 0.005 mm and repeatability within 0.003 mm, and undergoes 72 hours of continuous testing before shipment. Beyond manufacturing, Johnson provides end-to-end customer support, from custom configurations and sample processing to online training and 24/7 technical response. We offer a 1-year warranty and lifetime maintenance for long-term peace of mind. Today, our machines are trusted by SMEs and large-scale buyers across more than 40 countries. We help customers reduce labor costs, improve precision, and accelerate production cycles. At Johnson, we do not just sell machines. We deliver productivity, reliability, and lasting partnership.